Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the Mr. Channel, and on this episode, I just want to give parang yung mga pangunang or mga not really disclaimers but sort of an introduction. Okay, because napansin ko parang biglang dumadami yung nakakapansin sa akin and nagko-comment sa aking mga videos. I know just recently naging active ako sa pag-upload ng videos about some reaction videos tungkol kay Raffy Tulfo and other issues. And I just want to parang clear things out or clear the air about stuff concerning me. Okay, para lang let's get that out of the way. Okay? Kasi mahirap na yung we all start on the wrong foot. So, yon. Okay. So, number one, sa mga magsasabi or magko-comment dyan ng arte ko or maarte ako, well, yes, maarte talaga ako. Kaya nga, yung nakalagay dyan is dito is your maarteng mamamayan reacting. Okay? I think sa mga kagaya kong maaarte, we also do have our right or the right to air out our opinions and our reaction about certain issues and events in our lives. Okay? So, Pilipino din kami or Pilipino din ako. So, if ang mga Pilipino is mga emotional and mga pintasero, pintasera, usisero, usisera, ganyan. Oo, I also do have those qualities. Okay? So, from time to time, lumalabas sila. So, yon. Tsaka, yung kaartihan ko is if only I had yung wealth or yung yaman ni Heart Evangelista, I would most definitely be like Heart Evangelista herself. So, ganong levels. May ganon akong tendency. So, okay, yan ha. Pang-una na yan. Next, sa magko-comment na ang pangit ng content ko or wala akong authority or credibility pagdating sa mga content na fini-feature ko or ginagawa ko dito sa channel ko. Okay, just a little background. I'm a mass communication graduate. I've worked with some of the best companies or great companies here in the country. Yung I've worked in some of the publications, print publications, online publications in the country, mga known. And also, I've worked with some of the known brands in the country. Hindi ko nasasabihan kung ano-anong brands yon, but I've been around. Okay, so I will let you know naman or sasabihin ko naman if hindi ko alam yung topic or sobrang konti lang ng nalalaman ko sa topic. Because I'm basically just want to share what I feel, my opinion, what I know of, how little that might be, and my opinion or my reaction. Pero kung makeup ang pag-uusapan natin, yan. Marami akong share sa inyo about makeup. Because inaral ko yan. Okay? And then, hence, yung channel ko talks about beauty, makeup, fashion, and life or living. So, ano ba pag nasa life or pag living, life or living ang usapan? Of course, um, our everyday lives, yung mga aspiration natin in life, realizations natin in life, and right now, itong mga current events and issues that we are all entitled to speak about or we are all entitled to share our reactions or our opinions on. Free speech nga, di ba? And we do have freedom of expression. So, here in my channel, and that's also why always saying, or I'm giving my comment section as a free wall to all of you. So for those na early commenters, in the past few days, if you will notice, whether good or bad comment, tinalike ko because I wanna stay true to what I said na, wait lang ah. Ayun, sorry. Medyo nahatching na naman ako. Anyways, where was I? Ayun nga. In terms of content, siguro naman, I have the liberty to choose whatever content I want to feature or upload here sa channel ko. Next, sa magko-comment na wag ko nang i-content si Tulfo. I just wanna ask, why? Bawal ba? Kailangan ba may approval niya bago siya i-content? Because one thing I've learned from Attorney Libayan is kapag public servant ka na, you are bound to be criticized by your constituents and the people that you serve. Because once na-elect ka na, you don't just serve yung people na bumoto sa'yo, but you also serve the entire country. So even yung mga hindi bumoto sa kanya, sineserve din niya. Okay? Dapat lang din niyang pagsilbihan. Okay? Next, sa magko-comment na pera lang ang habol ko dito sa YouTube. Well, yes, oo, pera. Because hindi naman ako magko-content or mag-upload ng content if that wasn't my goal. Okay? Dito sa YouTube, there are two kinds of people na nandito sa YouTube. Yung mga nanonood lang or yung viewers lang, and yung mga nagko-create ng content for YouTube. Because yung business ng YouTube is to have people come to the platform and consume content or watch videos. So, si YouTube, binabayaran niya or kino-compensate niya yung mga taong nagka-create ng content at ina-upload sa YouTube, sa platform niya, para may mga taong pumunta sa YouTube at manood ng video sa YouTube. So, I belong to those percentage of people na gumagawa ng content for YouTube na later on, if I qualify, is i-compensate din ni YouTube. So, that's the business of YouTube. It compensates people who are creating content so that there will be more people coming to YouTube to view those content. Okay? And so, if mas maraming taong nagpupunta sa YouTube para manood ng mga videos, mas maraming advertisers silang makukuha. Okay? Because the advertisers will go to wherever people are. Alright? So, klaro na tayo doon, ha? Yes. Kailangan natin kumita ng pera. Okay? Magpakatotoo tayo. Okay na, okay? Alright. So, that's out of the way. Wala nang magsasabi na pera lang ang habol ko dito sa YouTube. Ba't ako nagko-content? Kasi, oo, pera. Pera. And when I started yung channel ko is si YouTube would also send me emails encouraging me to create videos. Magsasuggest pa siya ng mga tips and tricks on how to do content or how to upload videos. So, okay. Klaro tayo dyan. Next, sa magsasabing cloud chaser ako, no, I've never been a cloud chaser, but I do want to feature current events because there's nothing more exciting in this world for me than current events. Kasi sa current events tayo natututo. Like news, current issues na pinag-uusapan. That's where we get additional knowledge, and learning is a lifelong thing na dapat ginagawa natin even after graduating from school. Okay? So, that's how I keep myself educated. So, most definitely, I will tackle current events, but syempre, pipiliin ko yan sa gusto kong i-tackle or i-discuss. Hindi naman lahat ng mga current events or viral issues, i-discuss ko. Syempre, may taste din naman ako. Okay? And, sige, ipang-uuna ko na. Ipang-uuna ko na to. Hard pass ako to any content involving Banat-Bay or Meloyap. And Meloyap. I mean, yung people from that group, hard pass na ako dyan. Okay? Kasi ayoko. Tsaka, basta ayoko. Next, ano ba yung goal ko? Ba't ako nandito? Na-mention ko na kanina, of course, money, because we have to earn. One thing I learned from the pandemic is kailangan may iba-iba kang source of income. Okay? And hindi kasama doon ang poverty corn at saka yung mga MLM or yung multi-level or yung mga networking. Hard pass din ako doon sa mga ganon. Okay? So my goal here is to share my experiences and what I know so that you will also learn something from them. And share what I've learned from the people I watch, like sila Attorney Libayan, Attorney Claire yan, sila Kayo, sila I.M. Shanwain, sila Teacher Mark. Share what I learned from them and share them to you so that you will also learn something new. Okay? So, yan ang goal ko dito. Because for me, it's about time na tayong mga Filipinos ay talagang mag-improve in terms of education and matuto. And knowledge kasi, hindi lang siya confined sa school or sa universities and colleges. Knowledge and education kasi, as I said earlier, lifelong siya. So you have to keep learning as long as you live. Okay, so kung wala ka na sa school, kung graduate ka na, or if ever hindi ka man nakapag-aral, hindi dapat nahihinto doon yung dadagdag ng kaalaman sa sarili mo. Or hindi dapat na tumitigil yung hindi dapat tumitigil yung natututo ka. Okay? So, if I can be a tool or an avenue for other people to learn, well, why not? So, I would gladly do it. Okay? That's all. So, at this point, syempre, since medyo lumaki naman yung aking subscriber count, and nagulat ako, ang dami nagko-comment, I didn't realize na mabilis yung magiging activity ng aking comment section. And I didn't expect na magiging warm yung mga kabatas, armado community. Sorry, nabablanko ako. It's also one thing na pang-una, medyo madalas akong nabablanko or hindi naman space out, pero parang gano'n na rin. Madali ako makalimot ng mga details, ganyan, or ng mga terms, terminologies, or words. Ayan. Especially if kinakabahan ako. So, yon. So, at this point, syempre, kailangan magbigay-pugay tayo sa mga kinauukulan. So, I would like to thank, of course, si Teacher Mark Reacts. I think siya yung pinakaunang nakanotice sa akin many years ago. Basta, few years ago na. And then, si Perfect Defect, si I Am Sean Wayne, si Caillou, who else? Wait ha. Yung mga first reactors or commenters sa channel ko. Call Me Mr. Chair, si Ang Ganda, wait, magsasalamin ako, hindi ko Teka lang. Si Audie De Los Santos Ihako. Yan. Si Francisco Pamulaklakin 4394. Merong iba dito na mahirap sabihin yung pangalan. Jacqueline Baitrago 9660. Si ano to? PH Popoy HZ. PH Popoys. Yan, yung mga early commenters. Si Litong Lito, na parang nag-iba siya ng name. Kasi parang iba yung name na lumalabas dun sa notification ko ng comment. Dun sa name niya na lumalabas dito sa aking YouTube studio. Noni Gindin 8644. Yan, sila. Did I mention si Caillou? Unang nakapansin na meron akong unang basher. Yon, ayan, shout out sa next content, sabi mo. So, shout out to Caillou. Ngayon lang ako naging active, but I'm one of the first few people na nag-jump kay Caillou nung time ng video ni Attorney Libayan na sinabi niya na si Caillou is one person that we could follow because of yung mga arguments niya and the way he explains yung mga rebuttals niya on some people. So I'm one of the first few na nag-jump doon. So in the next morning na nagulat siya na ang dami niya mga followers. So isa ako sa mga yon. And nag-join din ako agad dun sa discourse group niya, yung original discourse group. Discord group. So I'm one of those first joiners. Pero recently lang ako naging active on uploading reaction videos. Yon. Okay? So, yan ang origin story ko sa Armado Group. Ang dami na kasing may kayungab pa. So, yon. Anyways, moving on. Kay Malasakit 0720, Randy Trims, sino pa? Salva Corpus 6604, ito yung parang paiba-iba, hindi ko maintindihan kung nagpapalit-palit ba siya ng username niya, but si user-df1lt8 dh2h, yan, siya. And then, si Ellie Petilla 8951. Who else? Sino pa ba? Si Emmy Viray, 7625. Jeff Abar, 1988. Si Dark Shade, 2816. Francis P, 8349. Roby Davis, 4451. Hyacinth 300. Bernie DeQuito. Sino to? Si FXGFCD. Yan. Sorry, medyo sisimula ko. Si Tonching Cruz 1880. Si Magmalasakit Channel 1620. Thanks for the follow. Or thanks for the sub. Anyway guys, if you sub, I sub back. Okay, that has always been my practice. So, yon. Um, Isagani Ibarra, Ever Labastida, 923. Bernard Magtibay, 6569. Hello, yan. Si Sonny Bagangaw. Si Rico Supplement, 6122. Bert Patins, 6614. Jel Bandavia, 9889. Yung mga new subs, thank you so much for subscribing. Hindi ko na makita yung iba. I'm sorry. Si Ololkaten. Joel Aguilio, 4346. Critical Thinking, Rose Maria Gono, 3443. Who else? Patrick Gome, 115. Gilbert Gujilde, 6936. Wilbert Mirales, Rosendo J.R. Sotelo, 2124. Yan, Lasola Marcos, Ferdinand Solano, 4690. Si Arnel Nunez, 3988. Romeo Palak, 4082. Hindi ko alam, uso yung may number sa dulo. Another username, Egay Lagay 4927. Evangeline Esta 8468. Romel Velarde 9613. Lauren Nand. Bonifacio Evale 6684. Mr. Katindihan Marky P. Jaime, 7733. Bernard Magtibay, 6569. Joji Soriano, 5262. MK, 5760. Mirna Ilijima, 1105. I'm so sorry if nami-mess up ko yung mga handle names nyo or yung mga names nyo. I'm so sorry. Manuel C. Roque, 5768. So, yan. Yung iba, hindi ko na mabasa. But basically, thank you so much for the recent subs or followers and the most active or the recent commenters. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And again, feel free to comment because my comment section is a free wall for you. Please be patient lang if you think nawawala yung comment nyo. Because I think si Google screens words on its own. So it hides some comments and hides it or hold it for review. So if ever, don't worry, I'm checking naman yung for review ko, comments for review ko as much as I can. And I try to comment back as much as I can. So, in terms of comment section, excuse me, ipapanguna ko na rin na I sometimes make patol. So, if nang ay inis yung comment nyo, mangiinis din ako. Pero if galit yung comment nyo, don't worry. Sorry. Kung galit yung comment nyo, don't worry, hindi ko kayo aawayin. And I also hope huwag kayong mag-away-away sa comment section. Yun lang din naman yung pakiusap ko sa inyo, okay? Ayun lang, let's be all adults here and let's all be nice as much as you can or as much as we can. Try. Let's be nice and kind to each other. So, yun lang for my pang-una video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good life. I'll try to do my best to upload videos as much as I can. If there's time, I will try to do live stream when it's time, no, pagdating ng panahon. But for now, that's all. Thank you. Have a good life. Smile always. Bye-bye.